Sorry about that. My name is Pearl Sanchez, and we're going to discuss the nervous system today. I wanted to discuss the nervous system specifically because of the brain, which we'll get to in a little bit, but I just find the brain so fascinating, and I really enjoyed learning more about it this semester so far. So, in terms of the medical specialties that treat, diagnose diseases in the nervous system, we have neurologists who treat and diagnose disorders within the nervous system. We also have neuropathologists who study diseases of the nervous system, and then we have neurosurgeons, which of course perform surgery on the nervous system, which includes the brain, the spinal cord, and the nerves, of course. So as I said, the main organ of the nervous system is the brain. And so that's the one I wanted to discuss today. And it is the most superior organ of the body. And it is deep to the cranium. And it is deep or posterior, I guess it would be, to the eyes and essentially the face, muscles, etc. It includes the brain stem, which is superior to the spinal cord. So I think I hit on those 5 landmarks. So there are several landmarks of the brain, of course. A few include the frontal lobe, the cerebellum, the corpus callosum, which holds the 2 hemispheres of the brain together. And then, of course, that leads us to discuss that there are 2 hemispheres of the brain. We also have the the lateral sulcus, I think it's called, which makes up the superior line of the temporal lobe. I think I got 5 of them, I believe. Hopefully I did. And then the major function of the brain, of course, is that it controls thought, it controls memory, speech, and even movement and motor skills in the body. And of course, it does that through processing and nerve communication, etc. I think that's it. Hopefully, I might need to go back and count those landmarks to make sure I got them all. But if I got them all, then I'll be sending this over your way. I appreciate your time. Thank you so much.